Okay, welcome. Hello, Raja. I tried to contact you a long time. Well, this is the place to contact me. All right, welcome, welcome, welcome. Beautiful, beautiful day here today. We have the your New York session today, and oh wow, I guess gold continued to push up over here after we broke above 1781. Interesting, but the most important thing is that the account is at 13,200. If we're at 13,200, we're successfully at our target, 15,000. We're about like a month and a half early here. So, which is awesome. That means I guess we can take this to 20,000, I guess, from 5,000. So this is the same thing as moving a $50,000 account to 200,000, right? Awesome. Let's do some analysis here, shall we? Let's remove all these analyses here first. We're gonna remove them one by one, and then we're gonna do our analysis again. Remove this. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame on gold, we have obviously a support forming down at the bottom. We have a resistance up at 1782. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, this looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely so beautiful, this 1 hour. I mean, if we are to look at this 1 hour candle, what's the probability that this candle can continue pushing up? What's the probability? There's a very, very high probability that price on gold can continue pushing up if we break above the high of the previous 1 hour candle. Now, let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we have some more information, right? And what this information states is that we have a resistance up over here, and this bullish candle closed below this resistance, right? Bullish candle closed below this resistance. So if we want price to continue pushing up, we want this candle to break the high of the previous candle, and then the stop is going to be below this candle, which is like 20 pips. Looking at the 15-minute, yeah, we're still at resistance. So we're at resistance here at this point. So yeah, I guess we'll have to wait for price to break above 1784.40. Potential buys above 1784.40, right? See how fast I can type? Because I'm fast, Raja Banks. Has Raja changed his trading streaming time? Yes, if you look at the description, you'll see the time right there. Kamil Mahmood Gyani. Gyani Saab. Gyani Saab. All right, let's see over here. Okay, so let's take a look at from a selling perspective. Obviously, we have a rejection to the downside, but also we had this move happen during pre-London London Open. So if we really think, or if we really want price to move down, I guess we'll have to probably, I would say, maybe break and close below, 1781, 1781.50. I think that's what we need for price to break and close below 1781.50. So let me point that here as well. Now, here's the thing, right? First, if you're looking for impulse entries, you have to wait for the candle to break below this wick right here. If you don't want impulse entry, which is what I don't want impulse entry at this point, I would want this candle to break and close below 1781.50. So let me point that out over here as well. Potential sells below 1781.50. There we go. Going to be looking at that area right there for price to break below. Let's take a look at this chart by Manos Manolelis. Manos Manolelis pound yen. Sell over here when the candle closed with no wick at the bottom. Wonderful. Wonderful. Let's take a look at pound yen over here. Let's do some quick analysis. So Manos Manoleli, I guess you know why that sell didn't work out, because the candle closed with no wick. All right. So yeah, we are consolidating here in the daily time frame. Daily time frame is pretty tough. Let's remove all these ranges here. Remove this, remove this, remove this, and remove this. And we're going to keep an eye on gold as it starts to break above or starts to break below. We're going to keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at the daily. So daily is pushing up over here. Awesome. Let's take a look on the 4-hour. 4-hour is also basically we are creating some sort of a resistance on the 4-hour right here. And like, the problem is like this previous 4-hour candle closed below this resistance, so we don't know. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, this is actually a very strong resistance now at this point because it's stuck on the 4-hour and on the 1-hour, so this deserves the yellow line. 166,200, 166,220. Looking to the left hand side, if you do break and close above 166,250, there's a very good range for price to move up. You can see to the left hand side, so clean. 64 pip range for price to move to the bullish side, right? 166, let's say like 166 300. Let's do that, right? Potential buys above potential buys above 166 300. That's what we're looking for at this point. I guess that would make a lot of sense. For sells, it's going to be tough because, I mean, obviously we have a support on the 30-minute time frame, and if you do break below this area, it's like a 40 pip range. It's still a pretty big range over here for price to go down, but this is a no trade range. It's a 67 pip range. I don't want to do anything within this range, so this will be a no trade range here for me. Yeah, nothing happening right there. Let's take a look at Ryan B over here. Bullish candles beginning to close weaker. Took sells, was confident. Awesome. Looks like you won the trade. Very nice, beautiful. Daniel, close, perfect. Same thing I have for pound yen. Let's wait and see what happens. Today CPI news, will you trade? CPI news, that's for CAD, not for the USD. I think we got retail sales data for the USD. Let's take a look over here. We got some retail sales data coming up for USD. Yeah, retail sales. So we'll see how retail sales move. They're looking at a pretty big change over here, 0.5%. They're looking at a 1% increase. So we'll see. Now the Gulag gonna say you started scamming people for YouTube likes too. No, not yet. But for people who are tuning in to YouTube, please give a like on the stream. It helps us a lot. I was in the buy during a pre-London London Open. I realized price started to retrace and exited, but then my bias was right. Any advice? Yep, just close 90% and leave the 10% running. That's it. Can you see my market hack problem? Yeah, I basically messaged you on Slack there. Wherever you wrote, I just asked you for your email. It's actually my birthday today. Hey, happy birthday, Mustafa. Can you explain why GU pushed up? Bigger inflation numbers were released this morning, which is bad for the pound. Am I missing anything? Yes, inflation. Could you explain why you consider support and resistance only in a 30-minute and not in a 15-minute? Because 30-minute is a stronger confirmation time frame. That's why. That's why I look at it on the 30. Sometimes I do look at it on the 15-minute time frame, but it's situational, basically. Sir, I believe money can be made from trading, but I'm suffering from psychological issues and making losses only. Please guide me. Maybe, focus on 1 or 2 trades a day. That's it. I guess that's all what you got to focus on. 1 or 2 trades a day. That's it. So right now I'm just gonna chill out and relax. What do you think about the electronic dollar announced by the American banks? I mean, it's supposed to happen, right? I mean, that's how crypto is going to go away. Because if you look at all the things that are happening with crypto, so many scams, so many bank runs happening with crypto, and there's going to be more. Like, if you think about it, there are so many exchanges now, so many exchanges who were actually solvent, who actually owed money, right? So many funds that didn't produce a return because they were bullish on crypto, and now they're on negative. You look around, majority of these funds and exchanges, they're saying, oh guys, we had money in FTX, and like, that's why we lost money. And all these excuses are going to fly now, right? So when all these things, they do come crashing down, which they will, the government is going to come forward and they're going to see, we told you guys, crypto is a fraud. These people are not centralized. These people aren't regulated. Here's our coin, much stable, connected to the US dollar, connected to the euro, connected to the pound. You can use this instead of USDT. You can use this instead of Bitcoin and Ripple and Dogecoin and shitcoin, all those coins there are. That's what the governments are going to do. And that's going to happen. And you're going to see that's going to happen. That's going to be the alternative for you to use crypto. crypto is going to just vanish in a couple of years, and then government is going to say, here you go, guys. There's your coin right there. Highly likely that coin will be XRP. No, it's not going to be XRP. Think about it. There's so many people invested in XRP, just waiting for XRP to go to the moon, just waiting for XRP to fly. Do you really think the government, the institutions, and banks are going to let all those people get rich again after the crypto pump? Hell no. It's not happening. You can tell yourself, oh yeah, you know, XRP gonna go up, blah blah, the SEC case and all this, all that, blah. No, I mean that's perfectly fine. You can believe that, you know. But I got people in my DM saying, oh, XRP is gonna go to $50 and $10 and $20 and I got 10,000 investors. It's gonna turn into 150, 200,000. Man, I can't wait. No, government's not gonna let that happen. They let that fly once, right? They let that fly actually twice. They let that fly twice. People made money, awesome. Now the governments, they will never look at where we are. We're in the middle of a fucking recession, right? Mortgage rates are up, interest rates are up, lending rates are up, groceries are up, gas is up, your bread costs more now. You think the government's gonna let all these retards holding XRP get rich and escape from this recession? Think again. I mean, that's just my opinion. You know, that's just where I see things going. Like, think about it. If I was a corporation, governments are corporations, right? Think about it. If I was a corporation, right, and my low-level employees, they are holding Ripple, you know, and do you think that I would let my low-level employees come above me or even come to the same level as I am because they got rich off of crypto and I have the ability to control? No, I'm not going to let that happen. I'm going to say, no, guys, you peasants, you should remain at the bottom. I'm not letting this fly on my watch. That's exactly what's going to happen. You own a broker. Absolutely, I own a broker. I had money and I used that money to open up a brokerage, and now I trade for less fees. And, you know, we offer an amazing service at this point now. The best service of a Forex broker ever. Okay, now look at this right here. The 30-minute candle on gold, we're breaking below 1781.70. 15-minute candle open. The thing about this area on gold is this right here. This is a rejection area right here. So as long as the candle is within this area, it can reject. You sell magic keys, LOL. Absolutely, and people buy them. The only reason we sell magic keys is because people buy them. I mean, what's the problem in that? Last month we sold 1,500 magic keys because people buy them. Because it's a good, valuable product. You know, like it teaches you risk management. It teaches you trade management. You know, like if you go on YouTube and search magic keys. I'm done trading for the day. I'm just here for the support and your band. Stay up. Thank you. Would you or do you have a video on how to manage taxes with trading? Depends on where you live. Do you think I'm a global accountant? I'm not a global accountant. I like as little accounting as possible. You know, so I opened up a corporation in Dubai, so I pay 0 taxes. No accounting needed over there. Why are people so jealous? People are jealous because I came from the same position where they are right now, and they're just jealous that some made it and they didn't. But that's what happens when a tsunami comes, right? A tsunami comes and some people make it and others don't. I bought mine last week, and let me tell you, risk management is on point. Oh, amazing, Randy. Very, very nice. And are you on that gold? No, I'm not on gold. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for price to do something. I have my levels right over here. So this is a no trade range here for me. I'm not going to trade within this range. I'm looking for buys above 166.300 on pound yen. And I'm looking for sells below, I'd say like maybe 165.400. Potential sells below 165.400. That's what I'm looking at right here. Maybe make this a little bit smaller. Yeah. So that's what I'm looking at right here. Why are these trades actually placed? Is there like a trades world where all the trades from exchange are placed? I have no idea. On gold, if there was a close below 1732, would you consider it? No, we can't talk about that because that hasn't really happened. Does Magic Keys work on MT4? Yes. News today? Yes. How much is Magic Keys today? 165. Same like every day. Crypto people are going to be looked upon as Ribon. What do you think about the Trump 2024? That's irrelevant to my success. I just got my Magic Keys and this thing is fire and the support team very efficient. Wow. I emailed them with a question and they responded in minutes. Well, here we go. We paid that guy $100 for that comment. Do you know any traders from Germany? Yes. Is it easy to open a bank account in Dubai as a non-resident? No, you need to be a resident. You need to open up a company, and we've talked about that. Does Magic Key work on MT6? Probably in your dreams. GJ opened NY session yesterday and pulled back completely. How would you anticipate a move like that? No idea. I wasn't looking at the New York session yesterday. I didn't even trade yesterday. I took 0 trades yesterday. If I look at my history right here, I took 0 trades yesterday. I have no idea what happened yesterday. Look, my last trade was on the 14th, and then this one was today. So I have no clue how price moved yesterday. I was very, very busy. What did you eat in breakfast? 6 egg whites, a toast with peanut butter. Selling course of bootcamp is the best business nowadays? No. Service industry is a very, very good business. Sent you a message on Slack. Maybe check back later. Yep, I will check back later. I look at the messages every night. Do Magic Keys work with TradingView? No. Greetings from Somalia. Thank you. Do you ship to UK? Yes. Did you take trades in London session? Yes. Do you consider selling one of your business either in profit, won or loss, the profit for more profit, the one loss, current loss? Yes. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Raja. Oh, why Monday, Wednesday, Friday? Because I have to give time to my family. Yar, give us some solid advice so become profitable. Yeah, I don't know. I need money to trade, get a job. Online trader's license for a year and resident visa for 3 years costs 4,000 dirhams. Yeah, I mean, we applied for a mainland license. So I got a mainland license in Dubai and I opened up a company on that mainland license. And then I had that company sponsor me as an investor. So that whole thing cost me like $8,000. Yeah. $8,000 versus 35,000 in taxes a year. I think that's great. The government has no control. Absolutely, they do. You would be a fool to think government has no control. To be honest, rules are there to guide the wise. But rules are there also so the fools can be obedient to the rules. So the wise, they use the rules to guide them. The fools, they're obedient to those rules. How much money does it take to open a brokerage? Well, we put up around 500,000 and then we need some liquidity down the line, so it was another 250,000 more. So I think in 4 months we had to put up around like 750,000. Yeah. I know we can deposit in crypto, but also do you have a crypto pairs to trade on Dominion? Yes, we do, but the commissions are pretty high. Let me tell you that right now. Oh, look at the spread on gold. Almost 1 pip over here. Great. 1 pip spread on gold. I lost 3% in pre-London today. Weekly gains lost. Oh, so your weekly gains were 3%? Never risk your gains. What about today's news? We're going to see what happens. After 3 successful trades, I lost and then got greedy and started a revenge trade. Oh. How many white hair do you have? Probably too many to count on my both hands. Do you accept US citizens? Yes. Choose crypto from the country list if your country is not listed. And how much does a brokerage makes like per month? Last month, the brokerage made more. No, actually, let's see over here. All right, let me see over here. So last month I did, what was it, October? October, 31st October. Oh, yeah, I made more than a brokerage. Let's put it that way. I made more than a brokerage. I made like around 109,000. So I made more. Thank you. Hope you are well. Thank you. Magic Keys price will increase anytime soon. With inflation, the price will be adjusted. If you make money, do you take your own company's funds? If you make money, do you take your own company's funds? My company is not operating that way. Hey yo, I'm new here. Can you explain to me briefly about Smart Raja concepts? There's a video on my YouTube about that. I'm into a sell at 166.20. You're a sell at 166.20. Yeah, I think that's good. You have a very, very good sell over here. You have a very good sell position. I'm only going to look for sells below 165, 400. That's where I'm going to look for a sell. Hey, Mag, hello. Are you ever going to buy that 20 million house in Palm Jumeirah? No, I don't have that sort of money to blow. Respect for being so open and honest. Champ showing profit. It's insane. Thank you. Is SRC similar to market fluidity? Do you have a Slack group access? Yes. Do brokers use customers' money to invest like banks? Where? Where is the broker investing money? Smart Raja Concepts is market fluidity upgraded, rebranded, and priced according to this year's inflation. Prove me otherwise. Yes, and also Smart Raja Concept has a lot of work done on it as well. So once you enroll, once the mentorship intake opens for Smart Raja Concepts, you're going to see the amount of work being done on it. So yeah. Raja, your brain works in super efficient way. Why didn't you finish your studies, go to work at the same time? I don't know. I just lost hope. Like a point came where I was like, okay, so if I graduate in computer sciences, I'm just going to stuck in an office while I love to go out. I love playing sports. I love hanging out with friends. I love to have a good time, and I'll just be stuck in an office if I finish my school. And I couldn't take that anymore. And there were also some other reasons as well. So I couldn't take that. And that's why I left. Because I like to have a good time. I like to hang out with friends. So that's what I do now. How are you today? I'm great. The brokerage is called Dominion Markets. What's your average risk reward? My average risk reward is like one. There's no such thing as risk reward. People say that there's a risk reward, like 1-to-1 risk reward, 1-to-2. There's no such thing as a risk reward. I think risk reward is subjective. On paper, my risk reward is like 1-to-1, even sometimes negative. But when I'm trading, I'll show you right now. So when I'm trading, my overall risk reward is 1-to-4. 1-to-4, 1-to-6. So when you look at it from this way, that my risk reward is 1-to-4, this means that every time you move your stop loss, your risk reward changes, right? So it's all subjective. GU looks for a buy. Oh, send a chart. We'll take a look at it. I wanted to buy your 500 course. It's gone now. Yes, it's gone. You were too late. You have an Italy shirt. Will you ever come to Italy? Maybe. 1-to-2 is something else, as break-even has a chance of 33 to be hit. Yep. Is your company Dominion Markets bonus granted? No. Okay, here's the thing. You see these brokerages out there that say that will give you 100% bonus. It's all a lie. I mean, it's not a lie. They do that. But let's say you deposit $1,000. They will give you $1,000 as credit, right? $1,000 is going to be a credit. And that credit will hit your account only if you hit a certain number of lots, right? So let's say you got $1,000 account. They'll say, oh, okay, if you trade 20 lots, then we're going to give you $1,000 into your account. Otherwise, it's just going to be a credit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like you're going to deposit $1,000 and automatically they'll add $1,000 on top of that. No, you'll have to hit a certain number of lot size, which is highly impossible, because on $1,000, it's very, very, very rare you're going to do 20 lots. Very rare, So it's a very fast way to blow an account. So what happens? You're going to beep them. Yeah. 100% bonus as credit, but trade lots to your account. Can't even trade all the. Yeah, exactly, right? XM does that. Yeah, all these brokerages do that, because it's the best way to attract clients. That will give you, because people move with greed. The thing with people is, like, people are like sheep, with sheep, you can basically tell them, hey, we're going to give you food. With people, you say, oh, we'll give you money, and they're like, oh, you're giving me money? Okay, I'm coming. Candle closed below. The 30-minute candle, we did actually close below. 15-minute is right here. Now, 15-minute close with a smaller body. And this is still a rejection area right here. So I'd want this candle to make a top wick first. Even looking at the 30-minute right here, I would want it to make a top wick first because it's still in this rejection area. I'd want it to make a top wick first before I commit to a sell. Yeah. I'm 17, been trading for a year, failed 2 prop firm challenges, but in demo I'm profitable. What advice do you have for me? Amir JK, you're 17. You're a 17-year-old dumbass. That's what you are. You have no education. You don't know how to trade. You don't know what sessions are, what pairs are, what kind of patterns are, and you're dumping money in prop firms. Why, man? Why? Don't these prop firms do any due diligence that you're 17? You're not even financially legal? Bro, come on. Just 17-year-old dumbass. And seriously, like this is the harsh reality. If you don't know how to trade, you will never make it on a prop firm challenge. And that's just the bottom line. You know, that's a very honest advice coming from a 35-year-old to someone who's 17. So take this advice. You have to learn how to trade first before you dump money in a funded account. My friend stuck in break-even stage. Any help? Manage risk and look out for SRC. Rejection downwards also there's 30-minute. Yeah, exactly. So that's why I'm holding off on these sells right here. Does the market send out any information to tax offices in customers country? No, we don't. Because we're not regulated in major jurisdictions, so we don't have to. Can you manage your loss and you're still risking 1% of the account but losing $21? That's so crazy. How's that possible? Can you tell us? Yeah. Manage risk. You got to manage risk. Look at this. You have to manage risk. Look at this. Oh, anyway. Yeah, so basically you have to manage risk. So this week so far on this account, I have done not much. Oh, hold on. My bad. Monday. Yeah, $947. $947 done so far on this account. This week, my issue is that 1 hour can push down, but previous one bullish can't be retested. Yeah, so we're looking for a wick up to, yeah, there's a rejection right here. Is FXM funding having more than 1,000 traders now? I have no idea. Your broker comfortable for India? I mean, withdrawing deposit, local bank? No. What lot size do you recommend on a $5,000 account? What lot size I recommend? The lot size I recommend on a $5,000 account is probably going to be 50-cent lot. MT4 won't connect to Magic Keys. Read the forum. Can you explain your trade today on gold? Yeah, just look at it. Waleed, यार क्या हो गया? आप तो इतने experienced हो यार. Do you believe in a universal basic income? Yes. Why don't you trade US30? Because when I'm trading, the time I trade is this time right here. And US30 has the most volume during NYSE Open, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. So I'm not at that time. Who is doing the analysis for Slack? Is there a team behind it? Yeah, Raja Banks is the team behind it. What it takes on Forex? I don't know. What are you expecting with retail sales data? No idea. We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see what's going on here with the retail sales data. This guy is the biggest scammer, brother. I don't know who you're calling brother, but if it's me, yeah, I agree. And if it's not me, then wow, man. What does having a top wick indicate, please, Raja? Well, in this case, yeah, see, so it broke the low in the first few minutes, and I don't like the way it broke the low in the first few minutes. I would want price to create a top wick and then go down. Name stolen from Q Banks. Who's that? Who's Q Banks? Will you close before reach? You got any courses for low budget? Stop trading. Trading is not for people who have no money. You need to be able to afford to trade. Like, here's the thing. Like, you guys have these multi-million-dollar dreams. Actually, let me rephrase that. You guys have these billion-dollar dreams. You guys want to own a Lamborghini. You guys want to retire your parents. You guys want to pay off your parents' mortgage and leave your job and stuff like that. And still you ask for a budget course? A budget course? YouTube is your budget course. It's free. I know more than you think. I'm backtesting the same strategy for a year. I know what I'm doing, pattern, etc. I apply the strategy to real. I'm either break even or loss. Oh, okay. Well then, maybe buy a course, man. Get some wisdom. I'll tell you this right now. And let me tell you this right. All these people who think buying courses is a scam, it's false, and this and that. When I first started trading, I started with a $200 account, and I lost that account in 2 weeks. $200 account, I lost that in 2 weeks. And you know what I did? I went and bought a course. I bought a course for $350 with Ted, and that's the only course I bought. I committed myself to that education. I committed myself to the tools provided there, and look where I am today. I got a multi-million-dollar account with multi-million-dollar businesses because I invested in a trading course. And now I have my own academy, my own education. I have magic keys. I have a real estate portfolio. I have a very extensive trading portfolio. I have a lot of haters. I have a lot of lovers as well. You know, so it comes with the territory. But first, you have to educate yourself. You can't be a rocket scientist just saying that, oh, but Elon Musk is a rocket scientist. I'm pretty sure he knows a thing or two about rockets. That's why he's a rocket scientist. Gotta have haters to be somebody? Absolutely, Justin. Where can we buy that 350 TEDS course? It's no longer available. Inflation skyrocketed that to thousands of dollars. Does Uncle Ted have a YouTube channel? Yes. It's called Raja Banks. Do you think you create your own style, Raja, style trade of Ted different with you? Yeah, over time, like, you know, like, I basically broke things down the way I could understand them clearly. Raja, I don't mean this in a rude way, but we need a lot more than just hearing 1 to 2 trades. Can this be please elaborated on? Yeah, let me elaborate that here. Yeah, I sorry for my vagueness. I'm gonna elaborate that 1 to 2 trades right over here. To be successful in trading, do the following: 1 or 2 trades a day. That's it. There we go. That's my elaboration right there. Write it down on a piece of paper, put it in a sticky note, put it in front of your in your monitor. So, and let me elaborate further for people who don't really understand what this means, right? If you overtrade, you're going to lose money, 100%. No matter how smart you think you are, no matter how great you think your strategy is, no matter how much money you think you have, no matter what you think about yourself, if you overtrade, you're going to lose money, right? That's a given. Number 2, if you over risk, you're going to lose a trade. And like, you know, in the meantime, you may win, but over time, you will always lose money if you over risk. That's a given. No matter, same thing, no matter how smart you think you are, no matter how great you think your strategy is, no matter how amazing you are on a demo account, if you over risk and you over trade, you will lose money. If you stick to 1 or 2 trades a day, right? I mean, come on, man. Like, if you stick to 1 or 2 trades a day, here's what's going to happen. So I'm going to elaborate now because some people, they can't really think outside the box. If you win a trade, and after your trading is done, you're going to go over that trade because you won a trade. And then you're going to say, okay, like, you know what? Why did I win that trade? Can I replicate this trade for the next day? Can I replicate this trade for the next week? Because if I can keep replicating this trade, compounding is going to kick in. And then ultimately, I'm going to make money. Right now, let's say you lose 1 trade, right? If you're committed to 1 or 2 trades a day and you lose a trade, now you've lost a trade. Now, once you've lost a trade, you're going to go over that trade and you're going to ask yourself, okay, why did I lose that trade? What did I do wrong? You know, what did I really not see in the market? What confirmation did I miss? Was my bias wrong? How could I have had a positive trade rather than a losing trade? And you're going to make notes about that, and you're going to learn something from that loss. But if you don't do that, and if you revenge that trade, and you try to make that loss back with another trade, and another trade, and another trade, you're going to keep on fucking losing. And when you keep on fucking losing, you're going to look at all these profitable traders and you're going to say, oh, this guy's a scam, this guy's a scam, this guy's a scam, because I myself is a fucking loser and I can't win. Losers always look at people, the average people look around, profitable people, successful people, and they say, oh, these guys are all scam because I can't win. How is that our fault that you can't win? It's your fault you can't win. The fact of life is when you start overtrading is based on all human emotions like greed and fear. The more you're going, that's it, exactly. I'm doing this too good this year and first compared to last year, mashallah, very nice. Please share the MetaTrader setting. No. You will get my MetaTrader setting if you join Smart Raja Concepts. Then you're gonna get my MetaTrader setting. Yeah, nahi, Hindi mein nahi hoga. How do I convince my wife to? I don't know, man. Probably, I have no idea. Raja seeing more Andrew Tate's content for sure. I don't know who that is. Sorry. Oh, let me remove my stats from this ultimate trading strategy called 1 to 2 trades a day. Yeah, people really understand stuff when you scream it to them. That's when they understand certain things, you know. How much is your course, brother? You're gonna find out. Raja chart setting, bro. No, please give discount this year on magic keys. If there is one, you're gonna find out. What about taking more than 2 trades but lower lot size? No, like, are you stupid? It says 1 to 2 trades a day. You want to do something else? Then go do it. Raja, I don't hate you, but how the F can you be so profitable when not streaming but lose on streams? I don't know. Market doesn't move in New York session. How is it my fault? You know? And okay, let's take a look at this right here. For all the geniuses right here. So I'm going to open up my Twitter right here. And guys, follow my Twitter. I'm going to send my link here in the gulag. Follow my Twitter, subscribe to the stream, follow this, right? So we have 20 comments right here. This is the trade I took in after London Open. I go to my comments. How did this guy take the same trade, right? How did this guy had the same analysis? How in the hell did this guy take the same trade? How did this guy take the same trade? Right? Oh, well, whatever. How did this, well, he got stopped at whatever, right? How did this guy take the same, oh, this is on gold, right? How did he take the same trade? How? How did these people take the same trades as me? That's a very interesting question. Very interesting mystery right there. How can people take the same trades I take when I'm not streaming? Wow. Maybe they're scamming everybody too, like I am. Come on, man. Your Twitter profile is amazing. Thank you. That Twitter profile is from 2012. It's a 10-year-old page. Yeah, those are all my accounts. Let's take a look at this chart over here by Fortune. Fortune sent a chart. This is, ooh, nice. Pound, yen, use your course basic of candle closure. Waited for pullback, then waited for the bearish candle. Very nice. Very, very nicely done. Beautiful. All right, so we got the candle closing 15-minute in about 2 minutes. I'm going to bring up my clapping soundboard here on the right-hand side because we like when people clap. We are also 2,600 people watching. Let's get the likes up to 1,000. And if we don't get the likes up to 1,000 before the 15-minute candle closes, I'm going to take a trade in secret. I'm not going to show you where I'm taking the trade. We're at 580 likes. We need 500 more likes. 500 more likes. 623. Come on. We can get to 1,000 before the 1-minute candle closes. We got 1 minute. 680. 680. 681. 681. Let me like it myself. 682. 770. 771. The secret trade is going to come up as a 15-minute candle. 800. 800 and we got 40 seconds left. 40 seconds left. Come on. 861. 1,000 likes coming up. Gold is, pound yen is just ranging. 943 likes. We have 20 seconds left. 1,000. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, already took my secret trade. Just joking. Had no confirmation to take a sell because the 15-minute candle is closing over here now. So yeah. 15-minute candle is about to close, and I think the next 15-minute candle, once it breaks the low, I think this is going to be a very, very good selling opportunity for price to go down. And I'm going to be looking to sell over there as well. Wait for a retest and sell. No, I think with this volume coming up, we're wicking up, and as this candle breaks this low, I think we can sell for price to correct this move we had after London Open. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's going to be the best case scenario. GJ ranging or you don't? Yeah, GJ is just ranging. Can the G20 meeting influence market movement? No idea. Would you stop trading for the day if you took 2 break even? Yes. Raja is master of Inter Raja show position. Man, come on. Be better. Be a better trader. Be a better trader. Today we have CPI. Yes, for Canada. Do you have the rule about risking per trade? For example, yeah, 1 to 2% per risk. Got funded today, Raja. Took exact buy as you in London. It's incredible how you've taught me everything for free. Wow. Hectorino, that's amazing. Now, do very well on that funding challenge. I want you to succeed in that funded challenge. Withdraw $800 and get Smart Raja concepts. If you don't do that, don't get Smart Raja concepts. I don't want losers in. I want winners. Read my comment, man. It's 8 a.m. UK London Open. How far before is pre-London? 2 hours before. In this case, do you take the trade even if it's first 2 minutes? No. I mean, here's the thing. It's not about 1 to 2 minutes. It's about the reasonable wick to top side. Like if it made a wick till, like maybe till here and broke the low in the first 2-3 minutes, I would have taken that sell. So it's basically, can we buy SRC with Dominion Market commissions? Yeah, that's something we have to look at the logistics of that. When do you stop trading in December? The 15th December. The 15th December. But I might continue trading this baby account I have, this $13,000 account. Please mind your speech. Children are listening. Well, get them out the door. They're not even, get them out the door. And it's a harsh reality. That's the word right there. What's your age? Old enough. Do 4K streams? No. Thoughts about the synthetic indices trading? No idea. Is 5K funded account worth it? It's a waste of time. All right, here we go. We're about to break the low right here. Stops are going to be around 15 pips. So we're about to take a sell at this point. Let's lower this a little bit, 0.75. We're about to break the low. Once we break the low, my sell is going to go in. Are you trading CAT CPI? No, I'm not trading. Maybe I'll trade CAT. Well, I'm going to be live streaming anyway, so I'll do CAT CPI. Oh, we're about to break the low over here. And it's about to go in a little bit. Come on. Spread and the bid has to break the low for price to continue pushing down. Yeah, risking about 1% right here. 1% risk, anticipating price to continue pushing down to correct this move that we had earlier on. Please use respectful language. My children are watching too. Then quit the stream. Maybe put on headphones. And hey, listen, like if you want me in my natural personality, you're really going to enjoy the streams. If I just become like some other live streamer, and no, I can't. What's this? Go sooner and go out. What's this? Oh, you took the trade sooner? Oh, wow. Very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Don't take the trade before NY session. Don't take the trade before NY session? Why not, Habibi? Habibi, hayya. Why not? This is the unfiltered version of trading, nothing compared to what goes around an actual trading floor. Yeah, exactly. So the way I'm going to manage risk over here, so this 15-minute candle, I mean, if it closes bullish, I'm going to close everything. Initially my risk is 1%. I'm risking 1% at this point. So yeah, we'll see. You are essentially working. Why is your kids there? Oh, I don't know. Are you in gold? Am I in gold? No idea. Can you use Higher frequency trading with the main broker? No. Sorry for asking. Where's the stop loss going to be for you? Of course, you can see that on the screen. Best adult dating site. All right, you guys can leave the stream. Thank you. I hate losing trades and remove my stops, end up losing more. Help me. Don't move your stops. MMA and trading predictions. How can you be an MMA predictor and a trading prediction? I think you're predicting your failure right there. How does that work? I think I figured out the timing of my comments for Rakeel to read it. Oh, awesome. Hello, what are the spreads for DAX or US30? Can you show real quick? It's right here on the screen. This is US30. I have no idea what DAX is. Oh yeah, there we go. DAX 40, right? Yeah, that's DAX, whatever points that is. I won 2 trades today. GU and gold, just applying Raja Bank's concepts. Thank you, thank you. Why do you drink alcohol? Where? I don't drink alcohol. I love when you roast their names. Thank you. 10 minutes before a news, be careful. It's not news in 10 minutes, buddy. There's no news in 10 minutes. Got funded twice, but didn't get a payout. Is it my psychology that's holding me back? No, it's your education. Where can I download Plato 11? What the hell is Plato 11? Raja Pindi Meetup, ho gaya bhai. Yeah, so I mean, we should correct this move over here. How long does it take you to become profitable? 26 years. Just wondering, why don't you include wicks when drawing your levels? Because wicks are just zones and ranges. Gold helps to pay my debts. Amazing. Can you give us a bonus in your company? No. I like your message, 2 trades a day, 1 to 2 proc trade and your strategy. Awesome. Where can I buy market fluidity course? It's closed. Now we have Smart Raja Concepts, which is going to open on the 1st December. How does the core retail sales affect gold? For Canada, nothing. Nothing. Yeah, so, pound yen is just ranging here now. So, no, we're not on the stock market yet. So, yeah, let's take a look at news over here. UK inflation hits 41-year high of 11.1% as food energy continues to rise. Wow. 11%. Man, you guys in the UK are feeling the heat. Holy. You guys are feeling the heat in the UK. That's insane, man. 11%. That's crazy. Pakistan is 18%, probably 20%. What's the trade from the UK Ottoman's budget? No idea. Yeah. Let's take a look over here. US officials say initial findings suggest missile hit Poland was fired by Ukraine forces. Oh, what's happening to gold? Oh, that's fine. Leverage kitna use karte ho? 100 to 1. Your trade has hit its order. Oh, okay. The candle is about to close in 7 minutes. I closed. Oh, nice. You closed? For gas, electricity in UK, yearly 14,000. Damn. What will be the main difference between market fluidity and SRC? You will find out. I'm up 6% thanks to Mr. SRC. Awesome. Do you have some advice for beginners? Should we look at, for example, 1 to 5 pairs? Yeah, you should look at like 1 to 2 pairs at most. Just 1 to 2 pairs and focus on 1 or 2 trades a day. That's all you got to focus on. 1 to 2 pairs and 1 to 2 a day. You said SRC 1st December. The intake. The SRC is going to open on, the 20th December. Let's see if we're breaking the highs on a 5-minute. No, not yet. So, yeah. All right, back to news. Catalina Georgieva remarks that G20 summit declared currency trading in Spain after Polish explosion. Oh, someone said that price may go up on gold as there was, explosion in Poland. Your simplicity has made me uncontrollable trader. Well, you got to control yourself. You can't be uncontrollable in the markets, buddy. 20 pips secured on gold. Awesome. What do you say about FTX? Have you heard about Binance? We have big news today. What do you think we can do? Buy, sell stop, buy stop. I don't know. I don't think so about sell stops and buy stops. I don't know. It's me, Bonnie from nightclub we met on Friday. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know which club I went to in Pakistan. You're going to open your crypto exchange soon? No. No way. We had plans for it, but the way the things are going now, no. We're not. Okay, I guess this is going to be yeah, this is going to be a 1% loss over here. We broke the low. We closed below this area. 30-minute candle also closed below that area. We broke below these wicks. And we broke below the low here. We had clean candles to the left-hand side. There was a high probability for price to continue pushing down. Maybe, maybe the probability wasn't in our favor. On Monday, we had a trade on stream, but we won that trade. Another loss on the stream. Hey, it's not a loss on the stream, bro. It's a loss if you close the trade on a loss. You guys don't understand trading. I mean, it's a loss if you close in a loss. But we haven't closed in a lot. Who's your favorite cricket player? I don't know. Can you give us a bonus in your company? Ask your dad for a bonus on your pocket money, so you don't have to ask me for a bonus. So the candle's about to close in 4 minutes. If the candle closes bullish, I'm going to close the whole thing. Why are you losing money on stream and how SBF lost customer funds? Oh, I closed in 10 pip profits. Oh, very nice, Bobby. Yeah, let's take a look at pound yen over here. We're still coming up towards resistance 166, 220. What's your lot size? My lot size is 0.75. That's my lot size. So looks like we're going to hit a stop loss right here. It's going to be losing trade here in the stream. 1% loss. Our first loss in 10 years on the stream. Congratulations for everyone who's been with us for 10 years. We have seen our first loss on the stream. Very soon it's coming up. The candle is about to close. This candle is still open. And close that trade right there. This has really wanted to. Now, no more blackmailing for the rest of the day today. No more blackmailing. You guys can take back your likes if you want. I don't need them anymore. Shout out to anyone who made profit. Yeah, shout out to you guys if you made profits. Someone made profit out there. I find it better than the break of the bullish candle low for a sell opportunity. Yeah, we'll see. I just we broke below the low. May give this trade a second chance. Let's see my stats for today. I'm still up about 2.7%, so that's good. Up about 2.7%, not that bad at all, to be honest. So, do losses still feel the same after 10 years? Yeah, a loss is a loss. Why do you not use TradingView for charting? Because then I am late to execute a trade. Let me contact somebody. I'm gonna contact the bank and say, hey man, I took a loss over here. People who cry over a loss on stream don't understand how to trade. I don't know. Raja, do you always secure some profits when price reaches 10 to 12 pips? Yes. When price reaches 10 to 12 pips, especially in New York session, I almost always secure, some positions. Always. But. Please speak in Urdu. Nahi na yaar. Trade opposite and you'll be a millionaire. That's correct. When are you going to invite Uncle Ted on the live? He's always here. How can I change MetaTrader settings so it's look just like TradingView? Here's what I'm going to do for you. One time only. This is what I'm going to do for you. Go to Properties and screenshot this right now. Screenshot this so you have these settings saved. So what we're going to do now, we're not going to do anything now. We're probably going to execute on Comet Comics. Comet Comics is around the corner. Are you in Dubai or Pakistan? That's a mystery. That is a mystery. Am I in Dubai? Am I in Pakistan? Or am I somewhere else? Do you enter on stream, trade loss out stream? That's what a real expert in the industry does. Hey man, listen, all these expert gurus you see on Instagram, you see on Twitter, no one live streams the way we live stream. No one does that. Nobody does that. So this, what you're seeing right here, this is something out of the ordinary. Because when I first started the live streams, everyone said, "Oh, Raja, that's a bad idea, Raja. No one's going to come to the live stream, this and that, this and that." This is the biggest live stream on YouTube at this point. The most entertaining, the most knowledge driven, the most valuable live stream. Are you affiliated with Q Banks? I don't know who that guy is. How many positions do you open per trade? One. I remember when Mixer and Twitch days, yeah, we started from Twitch. We started from Twitch. Twitch banned us. Then we went to Mixer. We found out that a lot of companies, like a lot of countries, they don't support Mixer, so we had to come to YouTube. Do you give private lessons? Yes, in my gym. What's the difference between ECN and STP broker? ECN is pretty good. Any advice on how to day trade? Anyway, we got the NY Open now. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is nothing. We're still stuck over here. 1 hour candle still below this resistance. Looking at gold, looking at the 1 hour. 1 hour still bearish. 30-minute candle. See this 30-minute candle? Its wick is bigger than the body. So this is an exhaustion candle, right? And yeah, we're basically creating this minor zone on the 15-minute. If I can bring this down, for the life of me, somehow, oh, there we go. Yeah, we're creating that zone now, right? So what can you do? Just joined. What website is for members only? It's not open yet. Why did you not manage risk? Because I couldn't manage risk, you know. So when you're managing risk, there's a very high probability you're going to be able to manage risk. There's a low probability that you're not going to be able to manage risk, that you will take that full loss. And that's what happened right here. I took a full loss right here. I lost $120, around like 1%. Raja Bhai, according to you, how prop firms work and how they give millions of dollars, that's irrelevant to your success. What's relevant to your success is, can you have a winning trade? You guys overthink about different things that don't concern you a lot and just really ruin things. Have you ever experienced multiple losing streaks? Yes, I have. On my multi-million-dollar account, I have had multiple losing streaks. And let me show you. Yeah, see right here, this was a multiple losing streak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did a $200,000 withdrawal. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 losses in a row. 13 losses in a row. Why didn't my broker take these losses out? You know? Yeah, so yeah, I have losing streaks, you know, here and there. But yeah. So we grew this account to from 50,000 to almost 6.9 million, 7 million, you know, almost like 4.4 million in withdrawals in about a month, year and a half. So this is the same thing as growing a $5,000 account to 600,000. That's the same thing, you know. So that's why I'm trading a $5,000 account, which is at, so you see right here, 5,000, 3,000 withdrawal is at 13,000 now. So yeah. Why did you took the sell directly after it broke the support? Because I was anticipating volume before, but also to my defense, here's what I'm going to do now. Most of my losses, right? Most of my losses have been trying to take a trade before NY Open. And I don't know how many times I'm going to learn that lesson. But yeah, I guess from now on, I'm not going to do that. I've learned that lesson quite a bit. How do you change the settings for rectangle shapes on MT5? Mine are empty. Well, you got to select it, right click, properties, and then you got to go to parameters, and then you got to click fill. Yeah. Are you trading cash CPI? Maybe. You've said this 100 times now. Yeah. Bro, I told you, you taught me not to enter trade before NY Open. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. Which screen do you use? A Samsung 32-inch 4K curve. Let me say that again. I'm using a Samsung 32-inch 4K curve monitor. So you have a low winning rate during London Open. I have an extremely high winning rate. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Look at my winning rate. Look at this. I have a 70% winning rate on gold. 70% winning rate. On pound yen, I have a 59% winning rate. I love your transparency. No other streamers are this real with their viewers. They only talk about wins. Here we got the real deal. Thank you, Christine. I really appreciate it. Do you calculate lot size on gold? Do you have a calculator? Yes, I have magic keys. See magic keys? This is what I use. All I gotta do is hit open calc, and it shows me how much is my risk. My risk is always 2%. Let's say at this point, and I'm anticipating price to go down. You know, so wherever I'm going to move my stop, it's going to be at 2% with magic keys. See that? Now it's at 3%. 3% risk. All I got to do is input risk. There's a button on here. I press it. It's going to bring up this window. From here, I can change it to 5. And you'll see this percentage right here. Now it's going to be 5% risk. But I don't want to use 5% risk because that's asinine. I'm going to go with my regular 1% risk. 1%. Right? Magic keys. And here's a word from our sponsors here today. Welcome back from a word from our sponsors. I paid 500. I have no idea who the hell did you pay 500 to. Yeah, I don't know where you paid 500. What did you press on the magic keys? I pressed input risk, buddy. There's a button right here. It says input risk. See that? It says input risk. And since this one is broken, I have a new one right here. Backup. Where is that music from again? This is from our sponsors. When does support resistance candles does not or will not have an effect? There are different scenarios where it can and cannot have an effect. You know, where do you click on magic keys to make that sound? Any button you press, it makes a sound. Look. So yeah, so it's going to execute a trade whenever we break the low right here. How much time for crypto withdrawal? Less than 12 hours. How much would be the cheapest magic key? The same price as everyone else pays. If you have business in Dubai, how do you pay taxes? Zero taxes. Is there any rule you have to be in Dubai 78 months to pay taxes? No. You have to open up a company. You need to be sponsored by that company. So here we are. We're breaking the low right here. And do I want to execute at this point, or should I wait for Comet Comics? I'm going to wait for Comet Comics. I've seen Comet Comics move really well, and that's what I'm going to wait for. I'm going to wait for Comet Comics. Because if the 5-minute candle closes bullish, the Comet Comics pushes price bullish. If it closes bearish, Comet Comics pushes price bearish. Very simple, but we're going to see. You literally win every trade in London session. Why don't you share them with others? I do share them, buddy, George. It's on my Twitter. It's on my Twitter, and every other person wins the trade on my Twitter as well. You know, maybe you're just too stupid to follow all the analysis and win the same trades. Join Twitter, man. Trust me. You guys have to join my Twitter. If you don't follow me on Twitter. Don't join my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. And stop crying. What's your risk-reward ratio? Risk-reward is subjective. If you were given to choose one from gold and pound yen for a multi-million-dollar account, would you choose and why? I choose gold because gold has a lot of volume. What is Comics? You into Marvel or something? Well, you're going to see. Comics. It'll come up. If you were given San Francs up by fixed 1.2, do you use fixed scale in charts 75? No. Can we trade your pattern while doing 9 to 5 job? Yes. You just have to wake up early. Do you think beginners should avoid taking trades when there is no wick? Absolutely. You have to sit and watch. A lot of trading comes from sitting and watching, because a lot of times, instead of sitting and watching, what happens is that whenever we open up a chart, we automatically want to be in a trade. Because if we're not in a trade, we're thinking, man, shit, I'm wasting my time that I'm not in a trade. I have to be in a trade. So, you have to sit and watch price action before you even take a trade. That's where you learn how it's moving. A very simple example is if you're a lion and you're in like like in the bushes, and you want to catch, let's say you want to catch a deer or a pig or whatever, you're going to watch it move. You're going to study its movement. You're going to see when it drinks water, when it sleeps, when it's young, what's the best time, and then you attack it. And that's what trading is. You have to sit and watch. You have to suffer the pain of patience. If you don't suffer the pain of patience, you're going to suffer the pain of losses, 100%. What about US core retail sales? Isn't that going to bring more volume? Yes, it will. Can you discuss how to trade on news in detail? Yeah, buy stops and sell stops. That's the amount of detail you're going to get. How do you get the pip counter at the bottom right when you are in a trade? Man, you guys don't even know how to use MetaTrader? Wow. I've learned so much about my MT5 by seeing you live than watching tutorials on YouTube. There we go. See? We got a smart person in the gulag. How to understand smart money concepts? You can't. When they make a Raja Banks movie, who do you want to be in the actor that plays Raja? Probably Amir Khan, the singer. I doubt it they're going to make a movie. I highly doubt it. It's probably going to be called Comic Comics. Can a trader take both day trades and swing? No. If you don't suffer the pain of patience, you suffer the pain of losses. Great quote. Thank you. Truth is, you teach us more about trading every time you take a loss because risk management is the key to become consistent power trader. Thank you, Clement. How can I stop over trading? Just stop over trading. Finally got 8 consecutive wins. You must name it Genius Raja concept. Oh, wow. Look at that guy. Low I. Which team are you going to support on the World Cup? I honestly have no idea. I'm probably going to just watch the finals. And I'm just going to pick a team at finals. I don't watch sports. Even when, well, Argentina. What if Argentina gets disqualified? Then what? My fun is over. So I'm going to wait for the finals. And I'm going to support one team in the finals. Why are you not trading $1 million account? Because I'm trying to prove to you guys that if you can trade a small account, you can make some good gains. Like I've already withdrawn $3,000 in in almost like a month and a half now from this account. I'm using Dominion Markets MetaTrader 5. It's really amazing. Thank you, man. Dominion Markets MetaTrader 5. It's amazing. Just try it with $100, man. Try it with $100 and you're going to see a big change. Can I set up a celeb trader boxing match? Sure, do it. But he'll have to come to Dubai. Wali Baba has a $10 million account? What? I want to see this one. Let's see over Mr. Wali Baba. Mr. Wali Baba, 10 million. What's going on over here? Am I missing something? Where's Wali Baba? Wali Baba. Let's go over here. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या आपकी औलाद दिन उम्र है? मैं उदा चाय वाला और मैं आपको लाया हूं इंस्टीट्यूट एक।
सर अभी रेंज में ही है फिलहाल।
उधर ही खेल रहा है। ये 84 का फिर मारा टेस्ट इसने।
जी सर 85 का फिर मारा सर।
आज
जी सर अभी
क्या बात है, इसका मतलब है ये तो
Yeah, I don't know where it is. But anyway, let's focus on over here. Focus on the important things here now. His YouTube is filled with Tate. Yeah, man, my YouTube is filled with. Okay, we're breaking the law right here. Good EA. We have a couple of EAs running on our leaderboard, but we're waiting to see how they perform over the next 3 months before we open them for everybody. Unable to deposit from Visa card from Pakistan, you can't. You have to do local bank deposit. I want to come to Pindi for especially a selfie and a hug with you. No, not hugging anyone. Why'd you move to Dubai? Because I can. A gift from Gulag from the best Raja appreciation. What you do? What is this gift? What's this? Oh! Oh, 1 to 2 trades a day. Successful trade in Raja Banks. 1 to 2 trades a day. 1 to 2 trades a day. Let me save this. This is awesome. Wallpaper for the Gulag. Here you go, Gulag. I'll send it to you. That's an amazing wallpaper. Oh, there we go. We got the new 15-minute candle started. Comet Comics in about 5 minutes. Are you guys ready for Comet Comics? We're going to use our extreme analysis here for Comet Comics. I blew my first account 2 weeks ago. That's not good. Had been trading for over a year, had a string of losses. Who is this? Got emotional, have to admit, blowing your first account sucks, but feels like a process most of us go to. How did you get back on the charts? I got back on the charts by using logic, right? If you use logic, your logic is going to dictate that you will lose if you overtrade and if you over risk, right? And if you don't over risk and overtrade, you're not going to lose. That's the logic you have to take on with you. Dominion Markets is your own broker. Absolutely, that is correct. Did you use RSI? In the past, we used to use RSI. In the past. Yeah, in the past. All right, let's take a look at this over here. Here you go, Gulag. Here's some more information about incentives on Dominion Markets that you can use to be a part of market fluidity, to be a part of Smart Raja concepts. So, all right, we have 3 minutes left till Comet Comics coming up. Can a trader take both days and swing? No. Does Dominion Market take GBP deposits? No. Euro and USD. Pound deposits, there are a lot of fees associated with it, so no, man, no. Can you explain Comet Comics? I've had a hard time understanding it. Go to the stream from 20th May, the 20th May stream. Go to that stream. All right, we have 2 minutes left for Comet Comics. Oh, one very interesting thing about Magic Keys, you see how the profit line is at the bottom and the stop loss line is at the top? All I gotta do is press one button which says switch. I'm gonna press it and look at the lines. Boom. Right? They flip. So what a trade you're trying to take. So if you're in a sell and you're losing, all you gotta do is hit switch and that sell is gonna be turned into a buy and then you're gonna be in profits. Of course, it's not going to work like that, but we have a minute and a half left. A minute and a half left for Comet Comics. There are a lot of times I've seen Comet Comics move, and wow, look at that. We did correct that whole move. Not the whole move, partial move. With Magic Keys, you have to drag stop loss TP yourself. Yeah, you can also use certain, like, you know, certain combos, as I like to call them. Does Comet Comics worth with 10 minutes before news? I don't know. I think this is going to be the first. We'll see. There is no news in 2 minutes. No, there's Comet Comics coming up in 2 minutes. Comet Comics. Oh yeah, you can assign. So there's a function where you can put your stop loss below a previous candle, depending on the time frame. Below a previous candle. Very, 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 very strong idea right there. All right, so I guess we're gonna start to go up with Comet Comics. Comet Comics is coming up. I don't want to use my full risk. Probably going to do like 0.25, 0. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. 0.25. Comet Comics. We're going to be testing Comet Comics right here. Oh, yeah, it's broke the high. Now it should continue pushing up. I got late in execution, right? So Comet Comics 5-minute candle broke the high. So there's a high probability for it to continue to push up. That's what we've seen in the past, you know, and that's what we've seen in the past. And that's most likely to happen. Wait to close. Bro, I just said once it breaks the high, it just goes up. Comet Comics is not for the faint-hearted. It requires a lot of experience, a lot of sitting and watching. Even I haven't traded the Comet Comics yet, you know. I mean, break even every week from last month by just following and watching your streams. Is that perfectly fine as I'm learning from my losses too? Yes, that's correct. That's perfectly fine. Because if you're break even for the last month or 2 months, imagine the amount of people who are losing every day or every week. Gambling again? No. The candle you opened at 780 closed 778. Okay. Took this trade before comics. When comics coming closed 90%, closed full at break even. Oh, yes, I remember this. Nice. So first one was right here. Second one was right here. Very nice. How many times you spend on screen to watch the charts? Maybe 2 hours. 2 hours I sit in front of the screen. Oh, wow. See that? Comet Comics? Do you guys believe Comet Comics now? We broke the high and price went up. See that? Gulag is confused as hell now. Gulag is like, what the hell is this Comet Comics? Gulag's like, bro, what's this Comet Comics these retards talk about all the time? the candle just rips. They're checking the news as if there's a news. Yeah. It's a commodity exchange open, guys. Comet Comics. Like, fuck. Do some research. I took the trade to hit my TP. Amazing. Just partially reduced my loss from the trade. We had this candle. Amazing. This happens almost daily. That's exactly true. Let's trade CAD CPI. Do you really want to trade CAD CPI? What's pound yen doing? Nothing. Do you really want to trade CAD CPI? Then let's trade GBP CAD because, you know, pound is consolidating, right? Pound is consolidating. So we'll do GBP CAD. Yeah, we'll do GBP CAD because pound is consolidating. So and let me tell you the reason I still don't understand which way Comet Comics opens. Well, look at it this way. KFC manager, the 5-minute candle broke the high. So what's the probability where it's going to go in this volume? Oh, we can also do CAD JPY, but we want to see if price is consolidating or not because we want to have a pair that's consolidating. USD has some volume at this point, so that's not going to be pretty good. Chart window. I've never done this before, guys. Oh yeah, we are consolidating, so I think it's going to be good. So I'm going to load up my special Raja template. Special Raja template. You get this with Smart Raja Concepts. If you really want to get the template, this template is going to be $1,000 a month, but yeah, here we go. See, special Raja template brought to you by TradingView. So here we go. We are consolidating. We are in a 35 pip range at this point. I'm not sure whether I should do it on this account or my bigger account, but we'll see. Let's take a look at gold over here. Wow, look at that, man. Comet Comics really broke the high and went up. Damn. $1 million? No, it's not 1 million. It's multi-millions. I've been trading 5 years and was profitable for the first 2 years. Very nice. And last year, break even. Oh, I have information overload. Yeah. So what you need to do is you need to unlearn everything and then relearn everything. How to register for bootcamp in Lahore? There's no such thing. There's no such thing. All right, so let me do this. Someone gave me an idea and I'm gonna act on that idea. So the idea was that save this as default. Okay, default. And let's open USD CHF. Oh, wow. Mind blown. My mind has been blown right now. I honestly didn't know this. That will be 800 USD. All right, sir, send an invoice to my assistant and we'll pay you on the next quarter. What's your account size? Size in total? It's my account size is. Let me bring up the ruler over here. It is 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Raja, how are you? I'm good. If you take profits, how much you make? 1% risk per trade. It just depends on your account size. There's nothing in my 20th May stream. It's just happy birthday on the screen. No, there is something, man. There is. You just got to take a look at it. Of course, there's a birthday on the screen. And so let's go over here. For everyone who's confused about Comet Comics, let's go over here. Right, go over here. All right. And we go towards the 20th May. All right, ignore all these videos. 18th June, 19th March. What? March? What the hell is this? Oh, recently uploaded. Where? How do you find? This is strange. This is 2019. What the hell? Live tab. Oh, okay, here we go. All right, we go towards 20th of May, and I'm going to show you guys the information where that is of Comet Comics. So 20th May, yeah, right here. Oh, I even have it saved at 1 minute and. Yeah, Ted's right here. Ted, explain to us, what does this mean? Comics over.
It's the
1 hour and 44 minutes.
The gold market opening.
well, that's just for futures, right?
Okay.
Yeah, it's a futures market.
Yeah, 1 hour and 44 minutes is where you're going to find that. So go watch it. Because everyone who goes back to the stream and watch it, I'll make some money from the stream as well because, you know, ad spent or whatever. So go watch it. All right. Check out GJ, all right? There's nothing. We got a break and close above this area. Why you don't put a buy stop and sell stop on the last 5-minute candle before Comics? No, I don't want to do that. I want to take a good entry. So okay, so here we are. We are coming up towards CPI, and let me switch over to my multi-million-dollar account, and we're going to be doing 50 lots over here. Sell stops are going to go below this area, and buy stop. Yeah, that's interesting. Where the hell this buy stop is going to go? Sell stop is below this candle. What's the cost of SRC? 800. Yeah, I mean, buy stop is going to be above this candle here, but we'll have to wait. What pair is this? This is CAD JPY. Welcome to the casino of Raja Casino Banks. What pair? Are you guys blind? It's CAD Yen. CAD JPY. CAD JPY. Spreads on CAD JPY, I have no idea. CAD JPY spreads, yeah, the less, yeah, I mean, the spreads, of course, are going to be higher because we got some high volatile news coming up. So let's take a look on 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, 30-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute. Yeah, I think buy stop is going to go somewhere right over here. All right, this is where the buy stop is going to go. Hey Joe, Good luck, bro. Good luck. Any Black Friday deal on Magic Keys? Yeah, you're gonna find out. Can you be good trade after volume? I don't know. So news is about to come in here very soon. Wow, look at that spread. Wow, bouncing. Oh, wow, look at that. We move up. And, oh, up, down, up, down. We're at resistance, though. We're at resistance. 4 pips, 2 pips, 3 pips. Oh, coming down. If it comes back to my entry, below my entry and drawdown, I'll close the position. Yeah, right there, I closed it. It moved up, and I'm like, man, okay, it has to go up, but no, it didn't go up. Oh, shit! What happened to gold over here? What the hell happened to gold? Wow, that's crazy. Gold gapped, man. Look at that. Gold gapped over here. CAD JPY here as well. I do believe that this should continue pushing up. Numbers are very good on gold. Oh yeah, we had retail sales data. Retail sales data. Wow, crazy. The numbers were so good. We had a little bit of a gap over there. That's how good the numbers were. I took the USD CAD buy, stop, winning. Oh, nice. Nicely done. Yeah, the only thing about CAD JPY was because we're at this resistance over here. Let's take a look at these numbers here. Let's see what the numbers were. All right, looks like they were really, really good numbers here. Retail. Oh, 1.3, 1.3. Damn, crazy numbers over here. CPI is worse than expected, just like on USD. Imagine having sell stops on gold. Oh, wow, yeah, sell stops on gold. I think gold should. Wow, that's insane. That is absolutely insane. Someone made $390. Very nice. Yeah, some places had gaps. We had gap on our platform. Some places didn't have gaps. But whenever there's a big news, like big change in numbers, there's massive slippage, massive gap. So crazy. Someone made 1.5% today. Very nice. You didn't know? I didn't know what? Retail sales data? Yeah, but was focused on. Wasn't really expecting the change on retail sales data that big of a change. Like, look at that. It's a huge change, man. They were expecting 0.5, came up to 1.3. They were expecting at 1%, came to 1.3. Crazy retail sales. This means that people are out there buying stuff. I think this is also inflated numbers because, you know, there's inflation. And I think these are just inflated numbers because there's no way. Maybe they're also buying stuff because of the holidays, but this for last month. So I don't know. I have far more loss on Wednesdays than on the other days. Any advice? Yeah, okay. Stefan, I used to lose every Wednesday. You know, and then what I did was I stopped trading Wednesdays. I used to lose on every Wednesday, so I stopped trading Wednesdays. And I just, like, you know, sat back and watched Wednesdays, and now I'm getting better. Yeah, Pound Yen is doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh, Vikas Shami is back. One of our Pakistani haters here is back. Vikas Shami, आपको पता है YouTube मुझे देता है 4 लाख महीने का. YouTube मुझे 4 लाख देता है महीने का. All right. I had a period I was losing every single day. Awesome. Do you use the same strategies for US30? No. Unmute me, man. Okay. looks like we have a guest here today. Our guest. You gotta raise your hand. I can't see your hand. Oh, there we are. Is there a way to do automatic break even? No. Hey, take care, Randy. Have a great day at the gym. Learned some swear words today. Awesome. Mac, I can't find you, man. Where are you? How to do this? My friend. Oh, Macedonian. There we go.
Hey.
Hey, how are you? All right. Can you explain Swiss franc peg again euro in 2015? No idea. I have never explained it, so I don't know what you mean by explain again. Say Randy's name in Urdu accent. Randy. Happy now? Mac, you are muted. Yes. Mac
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
How's everything? Good?
Everything is good. Are you good?
I'm really good.
By the grace of God, everything is going according to plan.
That's amazing.
Jeevan already tweet about retail sale and same thing happened. Yeah. Jeevan, if like all my fundamental analysis, if you guys want to know where I get my fundamentals from, let me tell you where I get my fundamental news from. Right? Most of my news I get from Twitter these days. You know, screw Instagram. Instagram is whatever. Most of my news, most of my fundamentals I get from this guy right here, Capital Hungry. He may be an asshole, but his analysis is on point. Here, follow him. Follow him on Twitter. Go follow him on Twitter. Amazing analysis he has. Amazing analysis.
Maybe an asshole, but his analysis is on point.
Yeah.
It's good. It's really good.
It's really good. Really good. He follows 0 people. Wow, man. Okay. No.
Wow, the pride.
Yeah, look at pride right there. Yeah, he has some amazing analysis. Trust me, you guys will just ignore what he talks about, but his analysis is always on point. Always. Also, his YouTube channel, man, wow, amazing. Follow him, Raja. I don't follow him, but I look at his tweets because if I follow him, my whole feed is filled with his tweets. I'm trading one pair for quite a long time. Can I start taking swings because I see a lot of opportunities? Yes, do it. Jeevan is the best. He is pretty good. Don't say things over internet. Oh, just ignore what he talks about. Yeah. Use this for economic calendar, financial news. Yes. So, man, it's crazy. Raj, genuine question. How can you have haters? What are you doing wrong? Seriously, don't understand people. Yeah, you know. It comes. See, here's the thing. In your family, you have some people who don't like you, right? Like, you know, in your family. If you go to your class, in your class, there are people who don't like you. You know, some kids don't like you and some kids don't like each other in that social setting, right? And as you grow and as more people know you, it's the same dynamics. Like more people are going to like you, some people are not going to like you. So it's the same dynamics as a classroom. And you just got to roll with it. You can do everything right and there's a high probability you will be loved. That's correct. Don't forget to leave a like before you leave. Yes, before you leave, please pick up your shoes and leave and give a subscribe to the channel. Don't
turn on the notifications.
Turn on the notifications, yes. Yeah, I don't know what the hell's Gold's doing over here now. We had great retail sales data and we pushed down. So that was a shock move down with the great retail sales data. Will we continue moving furthermore later on as the news is absorbed by the market? Or will the market see this as, I honestly think these retail numbers were inflated. Like Mac, you tell me, are people around you going crazy shopping in the malls these days?
No, not really.
Not really, right?
No.
So retail sales data means that there were more retail sales done last month than the previous month.
Exactly, from last month.
I don't get
A
it.
lot of Thanksgiving shopping, but that's not gonna impact the numbers that much. It's probably inflated, like you said.
Yeah, I do think it's inflated because of new iPhone, holiday season. Yeah, like the people I've talked to, they're saying that they're really saving money for, important stuff. We had
Yeah,
Halloween and Thanksgiving. Oh, that could make sense.
for bills and groceries, maybe. Not shopping.
Yeah, banjos.
Panchos.
I work in a mall in Las Vegas and we are very busy these days. Oh yeah, Halloween, Thanksgiving. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Because the amount of people that don't have money, there are people who do have money, so that makes sense. But what's going on with gold over here? If we do break above 1784, I think we can continue up towards 1790. Let's look to the left-hand side. 4-hour time frame. What's this line I have on the red? 1812. Yeah, that's my super secret zone over there, 1812, which I'm not going to tell you guys about. But yeah, if we do break above 1784, we basically have clean room till 1795. So don't be surprised if you see a buy on my account at 1787, I would say, or even 86 or 87 today. If that happens, after NYSE Open, we'll see. Where are you from? I have residencies in 3 countries. Malls are always packed in the DC metro area. Yeah, there we go. Mac, probably the mall you go to is always empty because they don't have nice shops or something.
What do you mean? I go to Fifth Avenue where all the rich people go.
Well, I don't know. You just told me there's no one in the malls.
No, literally.
Just
The city's empty.
you probably go to the hood of the 6th, Saks Fifth.
In Harlem. I go to the Bronx.
Yeah. Your born country, Pakistan. I'm Pakistani. Pindi boy. Pindi
I got
boys.
residency in 2 countries, Cuba and the States.
Magic
They're
Keys
allowed
only
to
works on
have
Dominion markets? No. Magic Keys doesn't only works on Dominion markets. Yeah. That's it. I mean, I'm not trading anymore.
Alright, let's play some Call of Duty on the stream.
Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna run over here.
Some team deathmatch.
At least we're gonna have something to do. Like, I think there's gonna be volume in gold at NYSE Open, basically. Yeah, I think around NYSE Open, we could have some volume. Another insight into the retail sales is this: is total value of sales at the retail value as price increases also inflates the number. Oh, that makes sense. That does make sense.
Let's see how powerful your computer is.
Yeah, let's see how powerful my computer is.
How many gigs you running?
I have 64 gig RAM.
Oh, that's enough. You can stream on 4K.
I have 64 gig RAM, buddy.
Yeah. And the 3090, right?
3070.
Same as me. Same here.
Yeah, it's loaded up to the tits. My my RAM.
And we still get spikes. This game has so many bugs. They messed it up so much.
All
You know how
right.
much they made? They made on the first day they sold $8 million.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And it was the beta.
Damn, 8 million on the beta.
On the beta.
Wow.
And it had so many glitches. And we, and we played it.
Yeah. Do you game every day? Yes, I game every day.
We play at least 2 matches.
Yeah.
It's relevant to the success.
This is irrelevant to your success.
No, it's relevant.
What Modern Warfare is that? This is the newest Modern Warfare.
Loading. Team deathmatch.
Alright, I'm gonna hop in.
I'm gonna deny your entry.
No, because you're my friend. So I could just hop in.
Switching max.
Your entry is going to be.
Alright. The Zoom is lagging already.
Oh, Zoom is lagging? Yeah, everything's lagging now. Like 3 FPS on Zoom.
You got like 120 on Warzone.
Enemy down.
Grabbing your 6.
We're gonna get back to trading here in a bit.
I said in a bit.
Yeah, I mean we're done.
We've taken the lead. Approaching from the rear.
This Mexican border map.
That map is horrible.
Lost the lead.
Watch out, NFP. There's no NFP here today.
Garbanzo beans.
Oh shit.
He's gotta throw a nade, a big ass grenade.
Is Lambo Raul
Explode.
legit? What's Lambo Raul got to do with Modern Warfare 2 right now? You know, one day we should do a stream of gaming where guys just ask questions about trading.
Trading. Super relevant to the success.
Super relevant to your success.
Oh wow. My Call of Duty is updating.
Enemy is close.
These updates are like 8 gigs.
Switching max.
8 gigs?
8 gigs.
Alright. So,
Spotter online.
what we're gonna do now is if you take a look on the hold on.
Moving here.
Yeah, basically gold 30-minute candle is about to close in about 10 minutes. But it hasn't really moved enough, right? Because it's still below, what's this level right here? We're still below 1783. And that's a very solid resistance right there. 1783. Bro, you are noob. Of course I'm noob, man. Like, I have all day playing Call of Duty.
And when I join your server, I get like 180 of ping.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, we have someone's UAV over here.
Get it.
Where is it?
Yeah, right there.
Ammo.
Yeah, no more UAV for you.
Enemy UAV down.
Man, you're the first person I see. He's
Doing what?
Down on the UAV.
Yeah, all the
Taking down
time.
UAV.
Whenever there's a
Why?
UAV, I pick up my rocket launcher. I'm like, there you go. And it's a very, very good strategy too.
That's gotta piss them off.
Look at this guy.
Yeah. My 3 kills.
Oh! Yeah, my 3 kills for nothing.
I'm reloading. Frag out. Enemy
Raja playing games. Yes. We have a few minutes left over here for this game.
Recon flyover.
Oh shit. See, sometimes when I'm waiting for price to move or I'm waiting for some sort of a setup or volume to come in during, let's say, like pre-London or London Open, I'm actually playing Call of Duty. And I'm waiting.
Throwing stick. Bad flash out.
You from India?
Oh! Am I from India?
You from India?
Is my name Raja? You think I'm from India, bro? Come on.
You speak too much.
Speak too much.
Habibi.
No, brother. I have a live stream.
Where are you from?
I'm from. We're playing from Antarctica right now. We just got the Starlink. Starlink from Elon.
What?
Starlink
with you.
Starlink from Elon.
Starlink for what?
Starlink for Elon.
Iran?
Elon, bro, not Iran. What are you saying?
I'm sorry. I think Iran.
Oh,
I think Iran.
No, Elon. Starlink from Elon from Antarctica. We're one of the scientists there working on the dolphins to get trapped in the Antarctica ice.
The beluga whale.
Okay.
The beluga whale.
I don't know what you speak, but it's okay.
No.
You're from America, yes?
I just said we're from Antarctica. We're using Starlink set up by Elon. We're researching here for the beluga whale to get stopped in Antarctica.
I don't know. I don't know what you speak.
Okay,
I'm
you know
sorry.
Iron Man?
Iron Man? Yeah.
Yeah. Iron Man. Now, do you know
This is
Elon?
movie. Elon. This little.
Elon Musk, yes.
Elon Musk. Yeah, okay.
Yes,
Elon
Musk,
Musk. Elon.
Yeah, there we go.
Elon. You speak Elon. Elon Musk.
Elon Musk, exactly. Now you know Starlink?
Starlink? No. Starlink, no.
Oh. Yeah, that's it.
And where you from?
I just said, okay, do you know Antarctica? Antarctica?
Antarctica. Where this? USA, America, Britannia,
It's
Holland, where?
you know Jeffrey Epstein Island?
Island?
Yeah, Jeffrey Epstein Island.
Island, Jeffrey Stanley Island. I don't know.
Jeffrey Epstein Island. You know island? You know what's an island, bro?
Island Norwich, yes?
Yeah. And Jeffrey Epstein,
Yeah.
it's Antarctica is right next to his island.
That's it. Ragnarok. He named Ragnarok. You look the movie Ragnarok.
What the fuck? What movie?
Tell it, that's it. Ragnarok.
Oh, Ragnarok. No, that's
Yeah. And Holland. Holland.
Yes.
Your brother for Holland.
My brother for what?
Holland.
No, that's not my brother.
Why?
How do you know that's my brother when you don't even know what I look like?
You come up for or no?
Yeah, no, I don't know Arnold. Do you know Mac? Mac?
McDonald's. What? MacBook?
Yeah,
What Mac?
Macedonian.
Okay. No. What Macedonian? I'm speaking this as little, not good. Not too
yeah,
much
me too.
good. Oh. Why what you speak? Language?
I speak Somali.
Swahili?
Swahili.
Swahili? What this?
Swahili.
State.
Somalia?
Somalia?
Somalia.
You from Africa?
Antarctica, bro, but Somalia.
Oh.
Ah.
Okay, let's...
Why?
You're black in the
Why? They don't have black Rajas?
What black Rogers? What Rogers? A black is okay. But Rogers what?
Hostile care package.
What Rogers?
I think I lost like 50 calories laughing right now. Oh, we lost again. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Welcome.
See you later.
Hi, Habibi.
Mission failed. Return to base.
Alright.
I think I did my fasted workout right now.
Where is the Warzone 2 launcher?
See, nothing happened. CAD yen still in the range. Pound yen still ranging. Gold as well. Nothing happening right now. You know, nothing. So, I mean, nothing. So anyway, we'll see you guys day after tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care. Alright, now that the Zoom is gone, Gulag, let's enjoy a game. Just joking. That was fun.